Hi children, today we solve some problems. Your exercise 1.1, page number page number 4. It's the first question. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Then look this number line. Then first observe this number line and write the temperature of the place marked on it. Then first you observe the number line and which temperature in each place. Find out this place shows which temperature. Then first place, question number first place is like Lehuspadi. What is the temperature in Lehuspadi? So look, this number line, left side of the 0 mark negative numbers and right side of the 0 mark positive numbers. Look here, Lehuspadi temperature. This negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. Then you write Lehuspadi and then its temperature. It's the temperature. What is the temperature? Lehuspadi temperature negative 8 degree Celsius. And Srinagar, what is the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar temperature look, this left side of the 0, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 2 degree Celsius. And Shimla, the next Shimla, what is the temperature at Shimla? Positive 5 degree Celsius. The next place is Ooty. Ooty temperature how many degree? Look, 10, 11, 12, 13, 40 degree. 40 degree Celsius. The next is Bangalore. What is the temperature? 20, 21, 22 degree Celsius. 22 degree Celsius. The next, what is next B question? What is the temperature difference between hottest and the coldest place? So, temperature of hottest place. Then B. What is the difference? Temperature difference between hottest place and coldest places. Look at this number line, which is the hottest place and which is the coldest place. Here look, this Lehuspadi is coldest place and Bangalore hottest place. So we can write temperature at temperature of hottest place. This is the place name Bangalore. Bangalore 22 degree Celsius. The next temperature of coldest place. Coldest place is how many degree coldest place temperature? Negative 8 degree Celsius. The difference between the hottest place and the coldest place. The temperature difference. Difference between hottest place and hottest place and coldest place. negative 8 degree. Then subtract this number. Then subtraction rule. Then certain numbers additive units add with the first number. Here first number is 22. Then add plus. What is the additive units of negative 8? Additive units of negative 8 is 8. Then 22 plus 8 is equal to 30 degree Celsius. Is clear? The next question. See, look up. What is the temperature difference between Leguspati and Srinagar? Leguspati and Srinagar. Temperature of Leguspati is equal to negative 8 degree Celsius. And next temperature of Srinagar. How many degree? Negative 2 degree Celsius. Then temperature difference between Leguspati and Srinagar. The temperature difference between Leguspati and Srinagar. What is the so it is with this number negative 2 degree Celsius. Now negative 2 degree minus negative 8 degree. Then we have subtraction rule. Negative 2 plus additive units of negative 8 positive 8. So answer is what is answer? Negative 2 plus 8 is sign at different level. This negative 2 and this positive 8. So subtract this numbers. Find out the difference and biggest numbers sign. Here what is the difference between 8 and 2? 6. And it is positive with the number biggest positive. So it's answer positive 6 degree Celsius. The next question look, can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Then is it also less than temperature at Srinagar? Then taken together means we find out its sum. Temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. So we can write sum of the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Sum of the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla. Then what is temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar temperature negative 2. Then add Shimla positive 5. So add this number we get negative 2 plus 5 is equal to which number? 3 degree Celsius. Is this temperature compare with this temperature compare with which place? First place at Shimla. Then this temperature compare this temperature at which place? At Look at this 3 degree. 3 degree Celsius and Shimla how many degree and 5 degree Celsius. Then which is big here? Here big Shimla and less which are this 3 degree Celsius. So we can write this 3 degree Celsius is less than 5 degree Celsius. So what is the answer? Yes or no? Now we take it together the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature at Shimla. So its answer is yes. Yes, the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla is less than the temperature of which place? This temperature is less than the place of at the temperature of Shimla. Is clear? Then this same temperature compared with which place? Srinagar is less than or more than this one. Next, compare this temperature. Compare this temperature. Temperature at Srinagar. Then this temperature compared to Srinagar is less than temperature 3 degree Celsius. Then Srinagar how many degree Celsius? Negative 2 degree Celsius, which is less than negative 2 degree is less than. Means Srinagar temperature at Srinagar is less than. So what is answer? Then now the temperature of Srinagar is not the last one. Last one. The temperature at which place? Srinagar. Is it clear? This is the first question. The next question number 3. Look at Srinagar temperature was negative 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and this it dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? Then on Monday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? Then read this question one or two times and look what is given here. Then Srinagar temperature how many degrees Celsius? Negative 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then Tuesday this is dropped. Dropped means go down, fall. Then you go down how many degree? 2 degrees Celsius. Tuesday. Then what was the temperature on Tuesday? And Wednesday what happened? This temperature is rose means increased. How many degree? 4 degrees Celsius increased. Then what was the temperature on this day? Then is clear? temperature Srinagar at the temperature. Temperature at Srinagar on Monday. Monday what was the temperature? Negative 5 degrees Celsius. Then on Tuesday this dropped. Okay? Temperature dropped on Tuesday. Tuesday how many degrees Celsius dropped? 2 degrees Celsius dropped. So find out the temperature on Monday. So Tuesday. Monday how many degrees Celsius? Negative 5 degrees Celsius. This negative 5 degrees Celsius add with which this 2 degree dropped. So dropped means we can take negative 2 degree. It means go down. So this 2 degree Celsius we take negative 2. So what was the temperature? Negative 5 degree plus negative 2 degree. So negative 7 degree Celsius. Okay? On Tuesday how many degree Celsius? On Tuesday negative 7 degree Celsius. Then Wednesday what happened? This temperature increased. Temperature increased on Wednesday. Look how many degrees Celsius increased? 4 degree Celsius increased. So this means this go upward. Temperature go upward. So this we can take positive 4. Then next temperature on Wednesday. Temperature on Wednesday means temperature on Tuesday. How many degree? Negative 7 degree and with this 4 degree means positive 4. So answer 7. Negative 7 plus 4 which number? Negative 3 degree Celsius. So temperature on Wednesday how many degree Celsius? Negative 3 degree Celsius. Then is it clear? Then look to balance questions 4, 5, 6. Question number 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 you can do. 7 and you can do yourself. Then 81 question. Look. Question number 85. How to verify? First, here verify A minus negative B is equal to A plus B. Here formula A minus negative B is equal to A plus B. Here value of A is given. First question, look what is the value of A? Value of A is 21 and B is equal to 18. Here A is equal to 21 and the value of B is equal to 18. This is A and B place of A and B. We write apply this numbers. Here place of A we write 21 and place of B we write 18. Here look place of A 21 minus the same side and negative B. Negative B means here which number is given? B is equal to 18. So here negative B means negative 8. Then is equal to A 21 plus B which number? 8. That's all. Here 21 minus negative 18. 21 minus negative 18 equal to 21 plus 18, 39. So look, 21 plus 18 which number? 39 is equal to 39. So LHS equal to R. Then same as Man's question. So is it clear? This is question number 8, first one. The next question number 9. Use the sign of then greater than, less than or equal in the box to make the statement true. Then this find out this given statements are true or false. And we put appropriate sign. Here we put suitable sign. Then negative 8 plus negative 4. Then in box which sign will come? Look, negative 8 minus negative 4. Question negative 8 plus negative 4. Then one box is good. You find that negative 8 minus negative 4. Then look, here this addition and here subtraction. So negative 8 plus negative 4. Here look, the sign are same. So we add the number and the same sign. 8 plus 4 which number? 12. And which sign is this? Negative and second number also negative. So answer also negative. So negative 12. Then next look, negative 8 minus negative 4. Negative 8 minus negative 4. Then subtraction rule means additive inverse of second number add with the first number. So plus additive inverse positive 4. So what is this answer? The answer is negative 8 plus 4 negative. So negative 12 and negative 4. Which one is bigger? Which one is smaller? You have to find it. Then in this negative 4, which is the nearest to the 0? Which is number is nearest of 0? Negative 4 is the nearest of 0. So negative 4 is the biggest number. So look, symbol. Which is symbol? This is negative 8 plus negative 4 plus the negative 8 minus negative 4. Is clear? Then this exercise 1.1 balance all questions. You should find its answer yourself and write your copy. The next exercise 1.2. First question, look, write down a pair of integers whose first a sum is 7. So negative 7. Negative sum is negative 7. Means when we add with 2 number, its answer which number? Negative 7. Can you say one pair? Pair means how many number will come? 2 number. So can you say sum of negative number? Its answer is negative 7. Look, I write you negative 4 plus negative 3. What is its answer? Negative 7. So we can take one pair, negative 4 and negative 3. This answer we can write. Or another, negative 5 plus negative 2. What is its answer? Negative 5 plus negative 2 is negative 7. So another, negative 5 and negative 2. The next, look, negative 40 plus which number? Negative 7. Negative 14 plus which number? Negative 7. Look, negative 14 plus 7. What is its answer? Negative Or negative 11 plus which number 4 is equal to negative 7. Here color negative 14 and positive 7. Then it's negative 11 and positive 4. Is it clear? You can write anyone clear from this. Then anyone answer you can write here. Then next B, difference is negative 10. Then its answer means difference means if I find out the difference of any two number and write the pairs. And next E, sum is 0. When we add two number, sum is 0. Then you find its answer yourself. The next all questions are homework, balance means exercise 1.1 and 1.2 balance all questions homework. So you write your copy, paper copy write and in PDF also write your copy. Is it clear? Thank you.